Here's how to make Bard AI speak. Write your prompt and press enter. To make Bard AI speak, click on the speaker icon. Within a few seconds, Bard AI will start to speak.
Imagine sunlight is like a magical power-up for your body. Just like plants need sunshine to grow tall and strong, we need it too, for so many reasons. 1. Super Vitamin Booster.
Congratulations! Now you know how to make Bard AI speak. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. For more useful Bard AI tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Bard AI tutorials.